Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix family has other members. For example, if you want to join a family sharing account on your Apple ID and you want to connect to a family account. So how you can fix that if you see this kind of error, family has other members. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. And after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to simply go to general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now, after resetting your network setting, you have to simply go to name or Apple ID, and here you have to simply go to your family sharing account. So if you are the organizer of the family members, then you have to simply go to your settings and family, and you have to simply remove any member so that you can simply add a new member. But if you are already a member of it and you want to join another family, then you have to simply wait for a year, because you can simply join a family, switch your family within after 1 year. So you have to simply wait for some time. But if you see that kind of a family has other members, that means the family sharing account has full members and you cannot join that account. So you have to simply create a new account for Apple ID, and after that you have to simply log in into your account and you can simply join that family member. But if your family sharing account is full, then you cannot join another family member, so you have to make sure about that. So after that, you have to simply if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution. Moreover, you can also go to the Apple discussion and ask the Apple users, iPhone user, to ask for the solution of the problem you are facing. So in this way, you can simply check for the solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.